loves, welcome back. I'm Naturally Curla and welcome to my channel. And in this video, I'm going to show you how I achieve these beautiful passion twists. So keep watching. So this is my braid pattern that I did. It was a struggle just to braid my hair because I have nails. So I just threw some together. I'll be using Crochet Passion Twist from Janet Collection. I'll leave the link in the description box below, but you should be able to find these at your local beauty supply store. The hard thing to find is actually the colored passion twist. This was just black 1B. The hair is 24 inches, and again, it's crochet. I used 6 packs. This is what the package looks like. I'm going to take these out and then show you just what it looks like close up. So this is what it looks like close up and out the package. As you can see, it looks exactly like how passion twists look. I was so happy when somebody came out with these because I'm not even gonna lie to you, I was not about to try to do some damn passion twist. Like, I was looking at some videos and they just looked ridiculously long, and I was just like, that don't even seem like something I'm about to do. So the only thing I have to say with these passion twists is that towards the hook part right there, it does tend to kind of break up really quickly. It's not really like strong or hard around that section, so it started to give me trouble bringing it in like that. So what I ended up doing is just opening it up and just using my hand to pull it through. But that's really it. Very simple, very easy. This only took me about 40 minutes to do my whole head, maybe less. And again, like I said, the hook part where you're hooking it through is very soft, and it tends to kind of break apart. Not the whole hair, but for some reason that part. So you got to make sure it's all together when you're hooking it through, or you'll start to mess up the whole little twist. I hope that's making sense to you. And well, you can see what I mean right there. It fell apart, and if it's not together, you'll mess up the whole twist, because I messed up one when it wouldn't go all the way through. And I just like to start from the back, covering the main parts, just spacing it out, and then I put all of them in my hair, spacing them out, and then I just go back and fill in whatever I have left. Now again, I only use 6 packs. My homegirl who had longer hair, she used 7. So it kind of just depends on how much hair you will have, how full you want them. If you have black hair, it's easier to like use less because you can hide more, and if you're a better braider, but you can hide your hair more. But me, I just use 6 packs. 6 packs was good enough for me. So I just want to talk about all the little drama that happened. Well, not even little, big drama that happened in the beauty community last week. I could not get on here and show you this video earlier last week when I had installed my hair, and to talk about all that stuff, because my computer went out. Everything that went wrong just went wrong last week. So I couldn't chime in at the height of everything. So let me get into it. So my opinion on the whole drama with Tati, Jeffrey, and James, in the video, I don't watch them. You know, I hear about them. You know, I've always kind of, being that Tati's kind of older, and I was kind of side-eyed, you know, her relationship with James, that he was so young, especially how I would see their little videos, because how YouTube do is they shove these people down your throat, like they're always on your top. So even when you say not interested, they just like pop up, like boom, like watch me. Like, hey, why don't you put my video up so some people can watch me? Because ever since they done changed everything, my views went down. A lot of people don't even see me or even think I'm still even doing videos anymore. So at this point, it's like whatever. So when I was hearing about everything, because it made it to the news, it was like a big thing. They were calling him a predator and all this stuff, and I'm looking like, whoa, he's a predator. What's going on? Did somebody arrest him? Like, you know, like I wasn't thinking that this was just like third party. You know, I think he's a predator. Not, I know he's a predator because he actually did this. Not that the men he's dealing with are bisexual. And let me say this. There's a big difference between somebody being a predator and somebody having a fetish in that sense. Because there are some gay men, not all, please do not paint that narrative, some gay men that do fetishize straight men, you know, and mainly when they get a chance to deal with certain straight men, they're not really straight, they're bisexual. Okay, because let's be honest, no straight man is going to be with a gay man, you know. So it's not like some people may think it's like a hype to try to turn somebody, like how some gay women may hit on straight women, may mess around with, you know, straight women. And I honestly used to feel like with gay women in that community, when women like to mess with, you know, women that are straight women, it's because you really don't want a serious relationship. You know, it's a chance that that person may leave you alone and go be with a man fully. You don't really want, like, to really be with them. You just like, you know, the fact that you were able to get them. So that's how I look at it. And that's what I was getting from the videos and stuff like that with him. And I felt like that was wrong. Like, you can't just say and do what you want to do. Like, just because you may feel something about the vitamins, even then, as an influencer, I'm like, so he's not. I can understand him lying. Like, him lying, I was like, he was wrong for lying about it to her. Because in reality, he more than likely got paid for that. At the same time, I don't feel he owes her anything. Like, he's an influencer. That is his job. He does not need to. Just because, if that'd be like saying my best friend has a whole hairline, I'm supposed to stop working with her competitors just because she has a hairline. No, I can't turn down money for you. Like, that doesn't even make sense. Like, that's what he do. His job is to review. His job is to try things. Now, the only time I thought he was absolutely wrong in that situation was because he was not truthful to her. But at the same time, I'm not about to sit here and act like this woman who's been in the game for a very long time does not know. This video was edited. It was sat down. She could have did this behind the scenes. For you to drag in predatory claims had nothing to do with the vitamins, had nothing to do with the beef. I felt like because your first video didn't get it, you had to throw him under a bus in a way that would attract a lot of people's attention. And we both know how homophobic people are. This was just a way to bring him down. And I honestly, like, in my opinion, I just would have sued. Because even though he was able to gain it back, he still lost a lot in the beginning. Luckily, he had a good PR team. He probably had a good lawyer that said, you need to bring out these type of receipts, this type of stuff. Because if this had failed, oh, he would have had to sue. Like, he seriously would have had to sue. But I just hope it ends because it's starting to seem like it's being dragged out, you know, longer. And I feel like people need to let it go. I feel like drama channels probably need to take a break and let it go because they kind of helped this like bullying train with him. They helped spread it. Like, she already had millions of views, so for her to think it wasn't going to hit like she did is stupid. Like, I get that you probably didn't think it was going to be that big of a video. Maybe if you had kept it as just vitamins, it would not happen. But for you to add a predator to it, yes, it was going to be a big thing. In this Me Too world, and you make somebody out to be a predator, especially at 19 years old, that's still going to be attached to his name. That's a hard thing to get rid of. So I don't know. That's just my piece on it. As far as Jeffree goes, he is no better. I've heard about him for years. Before, I remember when I did used to like him and I found out all that shit about him, I was like, oh, I'm done. And he still has not changed, especially with that whole shit with calling Jackie a monkey and all that other stuff. You know, people can people really just ignore him because they like his makeup and they allow him to do whatever he wants. Like, let's just be honest. They just ignore it because it's him and they want to still use his cosmetics without feeling guilty. So they forgive him as soon as he says, you know, I'm sorry. But for you to sit here and do James Charles like that, but you can forgive Jeffree, it's just hypocrites. Like, that's just how I look at it. But again, that's their community. That ain't ours. I'm just happy that, I just hope that the beauty community starts to kind of open it up to other people. I'm trying to get more into makeup and stuff videos myself. It just takes a lot of time to do. But I hope that they start to, you know, it's not that there's not a lot of makeup people. It's just that you only see these people. So hopefully they start to expand and get into more other looks because I be following like the only few people I know. And I'm pretty sure there's a lot of makeup people. I'm about to get into it myself. But anyway, this is the finished look. I absolutely love it. You can see what the ends look like. The passion twist literally took me 40 minutes. Used 6 packs. I'm just sharing you my thoughts on the drama last week and everything else. And just giving you something to listen to while you watch me crochet my hair. As you can see, it's 24 inches. It looks full. You don't see any of my braids. Well, really, can't really see much anyway because I'm just showing you how long it is. But that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Let me know your thoughts below on this hair and of the whole issue and the whole drama of last week. And that's it. See you in the next video. Bye.